I wanted to see if I could pull off something most creators would need an entire animation team for. A complete kid story with real characters, a real world, and real dialogue, using nothing but Higgsfield's free 24-hour unlimited trial. No animation studio, no voice actors, no separate editing software beyond Assembly, just the platform and whatever I could generate in one day. I went in not knowing if it would actually hold together as a finished story or just end up as a pile of disconnected clips. Here's exactly how it went.
What if we don't make it in time?
A small light can still guide the way when everything feels dark.
Then we keep going.
Finish. This is Tech Tutor, and today isn't just another AI tool test, it's a full creative build from the ground up. Higgsfield is giving every new user a full 24 hours of unlimited access to every top model on the platform, images, video, and audio. And that includes Seedance 2, their flagship video model. Most free trials give you a handful of credits and call it a day. This one is genuinely unlimited, so I decided to actually put that to work instead of just poking around with a few test prompts. The goal for today, write a short kid's story, design consistent characters and environments for it, animate every scene with dialogue, and end up with something that actually feels finished. Let's get into it. So this is the page you'll be taken to after clicking the link in the description. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new account because this offer is mainly for new users. So for this demo, I'll quickly sign up with a fresh account. To activate the unlimited offer, click on pricing, then select get free trial for $0. This will take you to the checkout page. Don't worry about entering your payment details. You won't be charged during the trial period, and you can cancel at any time before it ends if you decide it's not for you. Once you're done, you'll see a message that says, 1 day unlimited free trial is now active. Click continue and you'll be taken to the subscription page. From here, you can see all the models included in the offer, from image and video models to voice models as well. It's a surprisingly large collection for a free trial. I'm now on the main Higgsfield AI interface, and to dive straight into today's video, I'm going to start with image generation. For this demo, I'll be using the GPT Image 2 model to generate all the reference sheets, and I'll make sure the unlimited mode is turned on. I've already prepared a complete prompt sheet for this project. If you'd like to use it, you'll find the Google Doc link in the description of this video. I'm first going to generate the reference sheet for the first character in my story, and while it's generating, I'll move on to generate the second one. Unfortunately, it says I can only generate one image at a time when I'm using the unlimited mode, so I'll wait for the first generation to finish. To save time, I've already generated all 3 character reference sheets, so now I'll move on to generate the environment sheets for the story. Okay, the environment results are now ready, and as you can see, we have 4 different locations for the story, along with 1 additional prop. Now I'll head over to the video section where I'll be using Seedance 2 to animate the story. First, I'm going to quickly clear the old prompt I used in the previous video. Right now, I'm going to add all the images I generated as reference images. I'll select all of them at once, and Seedance will intelligently use only the references needed for each scene. As you can see, all the reference images have now been added. Now I'll copy the prompt for scene 1 from the Google Doc and paste it here. As you can see, Seedance 2 is included in the Higgsfield Unlimited offer. I'll set the duration to 8 seconds, and I'll also make sure the unlimited mode is enabled so the generation runs under the free plan. To save time, I'll go ahead and generate all the remaining scenes in the background. And just like that, all the video scenes have been generated successfully and are now ready to be downloaded and compiled inside my video editor. One more thing worth mentioning is that you can also head over to the audio section if you'd rather generate your voiceover there. It also supports the unlimited mode and gives you access to multiple audio models that you can use for your projects. Once all the clips and narration are ready, I'll bring everything into CapCut, arrange the scenes in order, add the voiceover, sound effects, background music, and make the final adjustments to complete the story. Imagine this. 1 account gets you a handful of generations, 3 accounts, a few more, 10 accounts, thousands. Normally, you'd spend nearly $10,000, but today, You pay absolutely nothing. No paywall, no limit, no throttling. If you burn through your free day and want to keep building projects like this one, Higgsfield Plus gives you 7 additional days of unlimited access as part of a paid subscription. That's a separate offer from the free 24 hours, not a continuation of it, but it's worth knowing about if a single day ends up not being enough for what you're working on. If you want to try building something like this, my link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Stick around. I'm playing the full story right after this.
I've never seen a firefly shining like that before. Are you lost? You found something strange again, didn't you? I think it needs our help. Then I guess we're going together. Your light is fading. Something must be wrong.
Maybe someone knows how to help us.
That little firefly carries the last light of the lantern tree.
Can we save it?
Only if you reach the tree before nightfall.
This forest keeps getting bigger. Maybe it's testing how much we care.
The kindest hearts always find the way.
I can get us across. Be careful, Pip. What if we don't make it in time?
A small light can still guide the way when everything feels dark.
Then we keep going. Is this where your light belongs?
Every light has a place where it shines brightest.
You can do it. We believe in you. Forest is shining again. It was never gone. It was just waiting for help.
One small act of kindness can brighten even an entire world.
I'm glad we followed that little light. I thought we were saving one firefly.
Turns out one little light can change everything.